Okay, in this video, we're going to go over a step-by-step process of generally what needs to be done when someone passes away. I'm Claire Langton Yanowitz, an attorney at the Yanowitz Law Firm, where we've been helping families with wills, trusts, and probate for 29 years. Okay, let's get started. So, oftentimes when people sign their estate plan, I get a question from people, okay, what happens? What's next? And so I wanted to make a quick video overview of kind of the processes of when someone passes away. So when someone passes away, first thing we need to do is we need to locate where all their property is. We need to figure out how it's owned and value that property. We value the property for two reasons. First, we need to figure out if we need to file an estate tax return for the person. The Minnesota estate tax exemption in 2022 is $3 million. The federal exemption is $12,060,000. So if the estate is greater than those thresholds, we have to file an estate tax return. And then the second reason why we value property is because property at death gets a new basis equal to what it's worth as of the date of death. So that's the second reason why we have to get property valued. And then we need to basically pay the deceased person's final bills. So these might include medical bills, funeral bills. It might mean that we need to sell some real estate, and so there's some carrying costs on the real estate until it's sold. So pay final bills. And then a third thing we have to do is we have to file any final income tax returns for the person. So just because someone's deceased doesn't mean they get out of paying income taxes. You may still owe income taxes after you die. And this can sometimes be a reason why it can take a while to close up an estate, because if someone dies in the first quarter of the year, you can't file their income taxes until the first quarter of the next year. So that can result in taking a little while to wrap up the estate. And then finally, we need to distribute the property to the people who are supposed to receive the decedent's money. So either the beneficiaries listed under a will or a trust, or if the people are named directly as beneficiaries of an account, collect the funds. So that is kind of the basics of what happens when someone passes away. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified when we post more videos to learn more. Thank you.